Hey, what's going on everyone? So in the previous video, I told you guys about the new OxygenOS 10.3.6 update for Oneplus Nord, and we had a first look at it. And in this video, well, I'll be sharing with you my experience with it, of course, and one more important update about Oneplus Nord. So let's get started. And first of all, the important update I was talking about. Well, many people have been complaining since a long time about ARCore support for Oneplus Nord. And I'm happy to report that the Oneplus Nord now supports ARCore as well. Though if you search it in the list of apps, you won't see it, yes. But if you Google it directly, you will see that the app has been enabled. Though it might take some time for it to whitelist on Play Store, but I did test it out with Google Measure app. So as you can see right here, it works just fine. Though these measurements are not 100% accurate, and that is the case with every device. You can use all the ARCore supported apps, Google stickers in Gcam and whatnot. So in case you were amongst those who were really eager for this feature to get activated, well, now you have it. Now let's come to OxygenOS 10.3.6 update. And first of all, about those Bluetooth issues, well, those have been fixed, and in the 2 days I've been on this version, there were no disconnections with my OnePlus Buds and Bullets 2 wireless. So it has been reliable till now. I also had Wi-Fi issues with the previous version, and the device used to show no internet connection for no reason. And then I had to turn off the Wi-Fi and reconnect it. So that was quite annoying too. And I did face it once after the update, but not a single time after that. So if I start to face it again, I'll let you guys know in the comment section down below. Anyways, if you wish to see more content like this one, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And now, talking about the issues with camera and image quality. So the images are a bit less shaky now, and nothing else apart from that has been changed in the camera department. Lastly, in the gaming and performance part, so the device has been consistent for the most part now, and I did not face any hiccups whatsoever. There were no app crashes or slowdowns, and in the gaming part, well, we don't have smooth extreme support for PUBG till now, but the GFX tool works just fine for now, and I hope it will be fixed soon. The benchmark scores have also been improved with this update, as compared to the previous version, and here is what they look like now. So in case you are into numbers, it's a good news for you. Talking about the battery backup, well, honestly that hasn't changed a lot with this update, but I do see some improvements in the overall standby drain, and you might want to uninstall apps like Facebook and Messenger, as they do eat up a lot of extra juice in the background. In 90Hz, you won't get more than 5 to 6 hours of screen on time with moderate usage. So if you want the maximum juice, switch over to 60Hz and you will manage 7 to 8 hours easily with this battery. So if you get the OTA notification on your device, you can update it for sure. And as such, you won't face any issues at all. And that was it for now. Do like this video if it helps you out and subscribe to the channel for more updates. So I'll see you guys in the next one.